All right, welcome to another edition of Don's Garage. We're here with Don, the magic wand. What do we got here, Don?
About to fire it up. We got a 422 cc.
Yep.
13.5 horsepower. Straight exhaust.
Predator, Harbor Freight Special, fully modded Predator motor. All right, you guys, here we go. Hold, I'm gonna fire it.
Fire it up.
Hold that one. All right. Choke, stock carb, MSD, just some custom exhaust. Really, is all this thing has. No other mods. All right, here we go. It's gonna be loud. I got it. Well, it's got plenty of fuel now. Let me kick that choke off. It doesn't even really need choke.
Oh, you went off over here.
My what went off? It's still on.
All right.
It just looks like it's off. Well, I need to turn
It's gonna go.
I need to turn the idle up, I think.
Yep.
Let me turn the idle up. I got a screwdriver right here. Just a smidgen. Right. She wants to go. Sounds like a locomotive. Here we go, guys. And action. Oh! Did you see that?
Got fire.
We got fire. That's loud. Pretty fucking loud, huh?
You hear a leak?
I feel, dude, that thing sounds good.
Put that in your pipe and smoke
Put
it.
that in your pipe.
Cut it off.
That's fucking good. Sounds fucking good, huh?
Yeah, it does.
It's got a deep ass rumble to it, don't it? It really deepened that tone. I'm gonna
You got power.
Dude, that thing's gonna have hella power. Just that exhaust alone should help. But I also kind of ported the head. I kind of sanded and smoothed out the casting on the intake and exhaust on both of the engines.
Well, that's good. I mean,
yeah, it's gonna.
That's gonna fucking
smooth.
Give it a little more.
Check it out. Here's our little. Oh, we're still recording.